received. You're going to have to help me with this, Kate. Linda Stubbs on email. The worst Christmas gift I received was a boob sling.
Oh.
Can you believe it? I'm 50 now, still don't need the sling, but it did make a great hammock for 2 kittens. Have a healthy and peaceful Christmas. Love, Linda Stubbs from Coventry. Oh, and the boob sling buyer. You know who you are.
What is a boob sling?
Do you know, I don't know. Is it something...
Hold on. Vicky's telling us.
Oh, Vicky.
What is it?
I think you wear it. And
right. Can we get a camera on Vicky? She's actually doing a demonstration.
There you go. Carl, you can work it out.
Come on.
She says you wear it
and
then...
you literally, I think, hook it over your arms to lift.
So lift up.
So it hooks on your shoulders.
So it's basically like a bra, is it?
It's like, kind of like a hammock for boob sling. A lifter.
It's not great, though.
Is it more comfortable?
More comfortable than underwear.
It's more comfortable, apparently. Vicky says it's more comfortable.
I think Vicky wants one. You could re-gift it if
Linda,
the kittens are
Vicky, our floor manageress, is very keen to have it. Susan says, I had a large, very heavy present under the tree from my husband. I decided it was in disguise. Maybe something small and sparkly with bricks in the box to put me off the scent. Christmas morning, I left the present till last, thinking it was the big one.
I feel sick.
Opened it up inside. 8 rolls of wallpaper. Apparently, I'd passed it in the shop, casually said it was quite nice.
No.
And he bought them for me.
But you know, I think that's actually quite thoughtful.
That's what Nadia's talking about, taking those little moments, thinking about it.
Yeah. You see, that's what Nadia would have said was a good thing.
It turns out it's ruined a lot of relationships. I've got one here from Nicole saying, worst last-minute gifts, a winter coat 4 sizes too small, a watch in a style I'd never wear, and a box of petrol station chocolates that still had the price tag on. She said...
So you can take them back?
We are since divorced.
Oh, OK.
That didn't go well, did it?
I suppose maybe men feel like they can't win because we say one thing, but actually
Hello.
we
No, it just takes a bit of
Merry Christmas. That's your gift. That's your gift.